Good morning all. In today's class we are going to discuss about the topics antibiotics and analgesics. Okay, so these two are the topics today what we are going to discuss is. Okay, what is mean by this antibiotics and what is mean by this analgesics. So which it is covering the page number 68, 69. So what is this antibiotic? First thing, we all know that antibiotics it is usually given for all the diseases, either it may be fever or any other diseases. Okay, everything it is just we are giving this antibiotic. How it is found? Who introduced this antibiotics? So that is what we are going to discuss today. So here in the year 1928, mostly at the timing of war, what it happens is most of the soldiers and most of the other peoples also they were affected. They are infected by a small wound, and even that small wound and also the small wound and some infections also it causes death for a people. Okay, so everyone don't know the reason for this. So this is even like a bacterial infection. Okay, that bacterial infection it kills that persons, though it is very small. Okay, then who found this means that Alexander Fleming, a person, what he did is he just noted all the things, how that peoples they are infected and what it is happening. So everything he just noted, and he just tried to find a medicine for that. What he did is in a culture medium means it is nothing but in a laboratory, in a on a plate means on a glass plate. What he did is he just grow a streptococcus bacteria. This bacteria it is also a harmful bacteria which causes diseases in the human beings. The streptococcus bacteria he just grow completely on that plate. Okay, for a few days he just observed that, and later when he left it free and he went for a vacation. Okay, after when he is returning back, what he noticed is on the top of the streptococcus bacteria he just found a mold. Mold means a fungi which is completely grown on that plate. It is fully that streptococcus bacteria where it grown no, on that plate completely it was covered by this fungi. That fungi it is called as Penicillium notatum, the name of that fungi. Okay, it was that fungi which found on that complete plate. Okay, on this what he noticed is this Penicillium notatum where it is found. It means on that complete plate when it is found, under that the streptococcus bacteria it was fully destroyed. It means that Penicillium notatum fungi it kills all that streptococcus harmful bacteria. This is what he noticed, and from that he observed that Penicillium notatum, from this we are just extracting a antibiotic called penicillin. This was that first antibiotic what it is discovered. Okay, so this penicillin what it is extracted from this Penicillium notatum, it cures the disease which is caused by the streptococcus bacteria and also some bacterial infections. Okay, all the bacterial infections it was cured by this penicillin. Okay, this is the first antibiotic where it is introduced. Okay, so from this days what we are using an antibiotic for all that small infections what it is caused. Okay, and then the next one it is analgesics. So what is this analgesics? What is the use of this analgesics means? It cures pain. So what is this pain? See, usually pain means what we will do, we will use a painkiller or anything. So in such a way, what is this use here? See, analgesics if we take when we are just realizing a pain, okay, in our hand or even in that leg or even in any other ankles or even okay, in such a way that pain wherever we are just realizing, immediately the messages it will be taken through the nerves to our brain, and from our brain it will send us a message what we want to do. Okay, this is what usually it will happens in our body. So for that curing that pain what we are giving is this analgesics. So when we are taking this analgesics, what it happens, that analgesics when we are just taking inside, it will just move to the place where exactly the spot pain, the spot where it will reaches that spot and it will be curing that pain. Okay, this is the main use of this analgesics. So this analgesics also it is divided into two types. One is called as non-narcotic. Okay, and another one it is narcotic. So what is this non-narcotic and narcotic? So for non-narcotic, if we can take aspirin as example. Okay, a type of drug which is used for curing that pain. So it is an example. And then for what is this, a narcotic, it is codeine. It is an example for this narcotic drugs. So what is this non-narcotic and narcotic? Non-narcotic means non-additive. It means a few peoples, if we see, if they have a leg pain, knee pain, okay, in such a way, if it is continuously there, means they will be taking medicines continuously. That addiction, if they are the drug which is not at all giving that addiction, means that it is called as non-narcotic. Narcotic means continuously, while we want to take that medicine, otherwise we cannot bear that pain. In such a way, if it is there, means that is called as narcotic drugs. Okay, because continuously it will make us to take it. That is what it is, narcotic. And non-narcotic means it is not necessary, just once if you are taking, slowly it will be just curing that pain. That is called as non-narcotic drugs. So today the topics whatever we have discussed is about the antibiotics and analgesics. Antibiotics means in the year 1928, which was discovered by Alexander Fleming. And then what he does is that streptococcus bacteria, it is just destroyed by that fungi Penicillium notatum. And then the Penicillium notatum, okay, from that the name of that antibiotic what we are extracting is called as penicillin. And then if we take that analgesics, it cures that pain, and also it is divided into two types, which is considered as non-narcotic and narcotic. For non-narcotic example, it is aspirin, and for narcotic it is codeine.